Looking to use Excel as part of your planning processes? With the SAP Analytics Cloud add-in for Microsoft Excel, you can perform planning activities on models that have been enabled for planning. You can check that a model is enabled at the top of the side panel. Tables based on planning models include a version dimension by default. From the version filter in the builder, you can specify which versions you want to display. By default, unbooked cells may not display in tables. For each dimension, you have the option to display unbooked data. Unbooked cells are indicated by a dash. You can plan in tables by manually entering data in the cells, making as many changes as you want before processing the data. Keep in mind that only values that are black are editable. Disaggregation, spreading, data locks, and data access controls defined in your system are respected. Keep in mind that data locks don't prevent you from entering values in locked cells, but only authorized changes can be published back to your system. To view or enter data point comments, you can enable them in the side panel. You can add a comment by selecting a cell, opening the Comment tab in the side panel, and entering the comment in the text field. A red wedge icon indicates that the cell has a comment. Be aware that you need to create and edit data point comments using the Comments tab of the side panel. Standard Excel comments are lost when you refresh data and aren't synchronized with your system. With data actions, you can perform a predefined sequence of planning steps with a single action. You can add a data action starter to a cell from the ribbon. Here, you need to specify the data action you want to use. You have the option to automatically refresh or publish the target version. Finally, you need to set the target version for the data action. You can run the data action by clicking the cell. As an example, this data action is set to copy product pricing data into a planning model. You receive a notification when the data action is finished. The product pricing data has now been added to the table based on the planning model. Depending on the settings you selected, you may need to refresh the table to see changes to the data values. When you've made all the desired changes to the data in your workbook, you can publish it back to your system, making your changes public. To find out more about how you can plan with the SAP Analytics Cloud add-in for Microsoft Excel, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.